Hello, Flutter kids! Welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the fundamental building blocks of all Flutter apps, widgets. So let's jump in. So what exactly are widgets? Well, in Flutter, widgets are the key elements that make up your app's user interface. They can be buttons, images, text, and more. Widgets can be stateless or stateful, depending on whether you give it a state or not. If you're not familiar with these terms, don't worry. Just check out my other video titled What is State for a detailed explanation. Imagine your Flutter app's interface as a big tree. This tree consists of different pieces called widgets. Each widget has a specific job, such as displaying a button or showing text. These widgets are interconnected, forming branches and leaves on the tree. For the trunk, you have the main widget, from which smaller widgets branch out. These smaller widgets have their own branches with even smaller widgets. This arrangement is known as the widget tree, and it helps organize and structure your app's appearance and functionality. Now that we understand widgets, let's see how we can implement them into our app. When creating a widget, remember 4 important rules. 1. Capitalize the first letter on the widget's name. 2. Add parentheses at the end of the widget name. 3. When you have multiple widgets or arguments within a widget's parameter list, separate them with commas. This helps to distinguish and organize each individual widget or argument, making it easier to understand and maintain your code. 4. To mark the end of a complete statement or expression, simply add a semicolon at the very end. This helps the computer to understand that you have finished the specific line of code. Here's an example of adding a text widget to a Flutter app. It is important to keep in mind that different widgets will have different required components, such as the text widget requires text. Flutter provides a handy shortcut when you want to wrap a widget within another widget. For instance, you might need to place a column inside of a container. To do this, simply click on the column, look for the light bulb icon, and then click Wrap with Container. If the desired widget is not in the options, click Wrap with Widget and then replace widget with the appropriate widget name. This can be helpful if you don't want to write the widget all out. Well done! You've gained a solid understanding of widgets in Flutter, the building blocks of awesome app interfaces. Remember, widgets are essential to understand when making your Flutter apps, and I hope this video did a good job of explaining them. For more Flutter videos explained simply and comprehensively, subscribe to this channel. See you next time!